Hey guys, back again with another video. I'm gonna be upgrading my storage on the HeroBox. Not gonna go up by much. I'm just gonna go up to a 512 gig M.2. The current one is a 256. So let's get started. So I have a 200, actually not 200, actually a 1 terabyte normal SSD in here just as backup storage, but I just want to make sure I have more on my M.2, so this is just backup storage. Go. Now we need to undo that one, that one, that one, that one. Okay. Alrighty, so let's take this one out. And then we'll insert this guy. Let's see. That would definitely help. And there we go. So now we just reverse everything. And there we go. Easy way to get your HeroBox storage upgraded. Now, what I would suggest you do beforehand is either make sure that you have a copy of Windows, Linux, whatever operating system you want to use. That way you can reinstall it again. Other than that, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.